Number one, we extend our appreciation and gratitude to National Working Committee, NWC, led by Ambassador Ilyasu Umar Damagu, our Board of Trustees, BOT, and the Governors Forum, under the leadership of distinguished His Excellency Senator Bala Mohammed Kauram Bauchi, the Governor of Bauchi State, for standing firm with the party during this trying time. Their unwavering commitment, wisdom, and adept management of our party during this critical period have strengthened our unity and laid a solid foundation for our future endeavors. 2, we commend and appreciate the role played by the Reconciliation Committee led by His Excellency Senator Bokola Saraki and His Excellency Dr. Ibrahim Hassan Dangombo, former Governor of Gombe State, which we believe their integrity impacted the current stability the party is witnessing. 3, we acknowledge the leadership of the National Youth Leader, whose guidance is vital for our progress. We call upon our leaders within the party to enhance their support and cooperation regarding our youth initiatives and empower our united youth wing is essential for reclaiming power and representing the interests of the Nigerian populace. Number 4, we urge Nigerians, you, to remain patient. As our party, we believe it diligently work to rescue the nation from the grief of regional and ethnic politics perpetuated by the ruling party. The PDP, People's Democratic Party, is genuinely committed to creating a future where all Nigerians can thrive, free from decisive politics. We commend the party leadership in all states involved in recent by-election, especially Oyo State, under the exemplary leadership of Governor Seyi Makinde. Their performance has demonstrated the resilience and organizational strength of our party. Number 6, we emphasize the importance of building on solid foundation. It is crucial that Nigerians' youth remain vigilant and not be misled by any faction or individual who claim to represent their interests. The PDP is built on ideology and a clear manifesto for a united Nigeria where every youth is recognized and has a stake in the nation's future. We appeal to our elders' statement and patriotic Nigerians who have left or are contemplating leaving the party to reconsider their decision. As the active machinery and dominant force among the electorate, that's youth, we believe that the party, the PDP, remain a strong and bearable opposition, capable of uniting and rescuing our beloved country from its current challenges, hardship, and undirected governance under the ruling party. We welcome all who share our vision for a better Nigeria, especially committed leaders, founding fathers of our party. We hope they will join us. We also want to commend and appreciate some of our founding fathers of the party who have recently come back to the party, in person like Benga Hashim, who was a founding father of the party. We welcome him, we appreciate, and we hope the rest will be joining. We are impressed by the way we see the last meeting. We are impressed, we as a youth, the way we see the numbers, the caliber of people that attend that next meeting. We have hope and are sure that the PDP is still alive and strong, and we will work together along with the National Working Committee and other organs of the party to see that we rescue this country 2027 by God's grace, inshallah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I want to call on the Secretary to give vote of thanks before we ask for goodwill messages from our leaders that are here. Thank you.
Our HOD youths and all our comrades gathered here, ladies and gentlemen, we are grateful to be here. We are all happy seeing ourselves as we are. Just like the chairman said, there's great hope. We come from various states. We know the situations of the states. They say politics is local. So these are the captains of various states. We wish to say here that we recognize what our leaders are doing to put the party on the right shape. Crisis is normal, but we are hopeful, like in the past, that the party has the machinery to resolve all the crises. We also want to use this opportunity to appeal to all of us, the youths across Nigeria, knowing the hope we all have in PDP, that we should all put our hands together. We are not in coalition. We will not make the mistakes we did in the past, where some people did obedience, dividing our votes. We all are PDP. We will remain resolute as PDP. And hopefully, we will take power back. From the various state chapters, we are doing well. We use this opportunity to solicit that the leadership of the party, major stakeholder of the party, should support the youth, should support us so that we will do great mobilization for the party. On behalf of the forum, we rededicate ourselves to the party and we pledge in totality that we will mobilize for the victory of PDP across the Federation. On this note, we recognize every major stakeholders that have been supporting the youth. Like our chairman said, we welcome everybody that is coming back to the party, and even those that have left. We, the youth, we are pleading that they should come back. They should return. Let us muzzle out the power back from APC to PDP, whom Nigeria believes in and Nigerian loves. We say they should emulate. If a founding father, one of the founding fathers like Chief Benga, can come back to the party, others should do same. We are grateful for their support, all of them that have supported us. We are grateful to our PDP governors. They are doing wonderfully well. We recognize their efforts. We are grateful for all the support we have gotten here. PDP, all our PDP youth leaders, we are one. We are one umbrella. Like our HOD said, the national youth leader should have been here, but for certain reasons, he's not here. But we are always together. So we thank you all for all your support and all our beliefs in PDP. Thank you so much.
Okay, we are still expecting some reactions, few remarks, and if there is any goodwill message from any leader who had decided to support the youth, let us know. Then remarks now from reactions. Mention your name, sir.
Power to the people. My name is Honorable Ndubisi Enyoko. State Youth Leader, Abia State. Like my leaders have rightly said, we are youth leaders from the 36 states plus FCT Abuja, here present in the national headquarters of PDP, Wadata Plaza, Abuja. We have come here to show solidarity to our party. We've come here to show commitment to our party. We've come here to show cause while we remain focused on our party, PDP. PDP remains the only umbrella, the only vehicle that can give progress to this country called Nigeria. PDP remains the only party that built on the national economy. You can agree with us that it was when the PDP was in power that rice, a bag of rice, was sold between the prices of 15 and 20,000 naira. You can agree with us too that exchange rate we have today, which is about 1,555,000 naira per dollar. When PDP was in power, it was between 140, 150. So we are asking all Nigerians. In my place where I come from, they say when you are married 2 wives, or vis-a-vis, when you are married 2 husbands, you know the one that is better, and you choose that one. So we are asking Nigerians to please show cause for a change, and that change will come from PDP. The level of insecurity we've had today, we have never seen it in the last few years. The economy is fighting very hard. Most families cannot feed their family 3 times. 2 times, not less of 5 times, 3 times. So we are begging all of us to come back and help PDP to build back. So by 2027, we must have a change in the presidency called Asoro. Having said that, I want to thank you for finding time to be here. I also want to thank Dr. Akpoti-Uduaghan, who is the HOD PDP Nigeria, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to speak to our people. Youth, HOD. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much for this question. As you can see, even this gathering, upon your question, that the youth of the party, I strongly believe that the PDP is ready now to take over power from this ruling party. 1. Secondly, we want to assure you that the Nigerian youth, especially this forum of 36 Youth Leaders Forum, we will not go sideways with our leaders, especially our governors and the NWC, for their hard working and dedication to see that this party walk forward. We are with the convention dates, we are with the convention zoning, we are with the decision with the NWC and the last NEC meeting held here in Abuja. We, the youth, as the field soldiers, we are with the decision of the party. We support the zoning, we support the convention date, and we assure the Nigerians that this convention and the zoning will hold, and nobody and nothing will stop it from holding this convention, coming convention, inshallah.
Even with what the FCT minister has said, that while the convention is holding in Ibadan, he will be holding his own here.
FCT minister is a member of the party. I am talking about the organ of the party. The party, the NEC, and the organ of the party has spoken. The FCT minister is a member of the party as any other member of the party. Now the Governors Forum, the NWC, has made a decision, and the party, we with youth, we are with the support of the decision of the National Working Committee. It's the high organ of the party, and nothing will change that decision.